Khwlwmkha Joto takhwk bwkhwk tai lamsogo ani o channel faidi jeng tini nalaine ONGC Tripura Power Company Limited ni hote ketal kaisa job notification faimani norok boni website thangai naina munchungka hanke type khaidi utpcindia.in thamani pore bono o website opening nai norok nugui mano just o jaga no kaisa option nugui mano career hanai o jaga click khaidi aboni pore o page opening nai just scroll down khaidi nugui mano notices and recruitment kaini posting tongo obongkha place of posting norok nugui mano puila posting bomongkha vice president plant ni bagai aboni pore manager obongkha PM ini bagai place of posting rejangnai palatana Tripura takhwk bwkhwk norok jodi o job ni bagai interest tongkha hanke noni updated CV boni o email address of pathogori hodi boni email address engkha ankita.biswas@abcconsultants.in before 15 September 2021 takhwk bwkhwk norok jodi obnoti interest tongkha hanke 15 September ni bisingon noni updated CV boni o email address o pathogori hodi faidi cheng job description nalaine faidi cheng pula vice president nalaine o jaga click khaidi nugui mano positioned vice president plan ni bagai place of posting ka plan site at palatana oboni bagai qualification nangnai B.Tech in mechanical high electrical high electronics high instrumentation with at least 60% marks from a recognized university high institution obongkha qualification or experience nangnai minimum 24 years of post qualification executive experience in the relevant area aboni pore internal candidates at GM level grade M7 with 2 years experience may also apply for the post if he/she meets the required qualification criteria and job profile. Tai o job ni bagai maximum age ena nangnai 55 years. Tai industry to saimano power sector takhwk bwkhwk obongkha job description norok nainedi ang on notification rirwana or description box faidi cheng aboni pore ta kaisa post ni description ni obongkha manager ni o jaga click khaidi nugui mano position manager in performance monitoring and efficiency tai place of posting nai power plant site at palatana no tai oboni bagai qualification nangnai BE high B.Tech in mechanical, high electrical, high electronics and power engineering with at least 60% marks from a recognized university high institution. Oboni bagai experience nangnai minimum 8 years of post qualification executive experience in the relevant area. Tai internal candidates at AM level grade M2 with 3 years experience in UTPC may also apply for the post if he/she meets the required qualification criteria and job profile. Industry type power sector no tai oboni bagai maximum age ena nangnai 40 years. Takhwk bwkhwk obongkha job description norok nainedi tai required profile. Takhwk bwkhwk norok jodi obnoti interest tongkhanke dakti ne apply khaipaini তিন বাকৈ তো আশক্ন যারা ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং খাইজাক B.Tech খাইজাক হাইকে BE খাইজাক নরক অবনতি অ্যাপ্লাই খাই মানে তিন বাকৈ তো আশক্ন অল দ্য বেস্ট অ জব নি বাগৈ যারা অ্যাপ্লাই খাইনে রক খুলুমবাইখ্যা